Hello students, let's again discuss remaining topics about cricket. We can see here the size of the ground. So the size of the ground you see from the middle of the pitch, it is about 68.58 meters, and this radius, all the boundaries are located, and mid the pitch is there of 66 feet or 22 yards or 20.12 meter. Now you can see the popping crease is there. Popping crease is the line beyond which a bowler can't go, and a batsman, if he is out there and if the ball hits wicket, then he will be run out or a stump out. So popping crease is a limit for bowler as well as for batsman. So this was the structure of ground. Now let's see other rules and regulations of the game and specifications of the sports equipment. Since now cricket has become an international game and it is played in different countries, so there was a need to make some standardization in that one. So number of players in a team is 11. That means 11 can play on the field, but 5 players are extra in case if anyone is injured, then a substitution in fielding can be done with these 5 players. Numbers of empires. Number of empires in a match is 2 and 1 is their third empire. And now there are 4 empires because one empire has to be kept in extra. If any empire is injured or unwell, then the third empire, fourth empire works as a field empire. And there is a third empire since the recording of recording of matches has been done and the outs can be reviewed with the help of videos. So the third umpire's duty is to see again the video and decide whether any run out, stump out, or any catch out was there or not. So two umpires are there on the field and one umpire is there in the pavilion before the TV. Weight of the ball should be 156 gram. So there is a range because some companies ball are lighter and some companies ball are heavier. So both kind of ball are used. So there is a range of 5.5 ounce to 5 and 3/4 ounce. A circumference of the ball, that is the size of the ball must be 22.4 to 22.9 centimeter, and length of the bat must be must not be greater than 38 inches. Widest part of the bat may be 4 and 1/4 inches, and breadth of pitch on both sides from central wicket should be 4 feet 4 inches. And distance of a stump from one side to other is 22 yards, that is the length of the pitch. And breadth of the wickets must be 9 inches, not more than that, not less than that. Color of the ball should be white for night and red for daytime. But now you see that even the match is played, if it is one day or 2020, then it is played with white ball only. And red balls are used only for test matches. A number of scorers are 2. Time for charging every inning, changing every inning is 10 minutes. And time for changing the player is 2 minutes. That means if one player is out, within 2 minutes the next player should enter the ground. If he is not doing so, then he may be declared late out. Types of matches are there: 1 day, 3 day, 5 day, 2020. 3 days are played generally national cricket. So in the international we can say 1 day, 5 day and 2020. Height of the wicket from the ground should be 28 inches and radius of a smaller circle should be 27.4 meter, and radius of boundary should be 68.5 58 meter, but may vary from 75 to 85 yards. So these were the specifications. In next class we will talk about next topics. Thank you.